So you're trying to tell me you can talk to the fridge?
Yes. Hi, Samsung.
Well, what should we ask it to do?
Play Pandora.
Okay, launching Pandora.
Whoa, what else can it do?
Show us what's inside.
Open recipes.
Pancakes.
Read recipe.
Combine milk with vinegar.
Oh no, we're out of maple syrup.
Hi, Samsung. Find maple syrup on Fresh Direct. Add to cart.
Open memo.
Thanks for saving the day, Mom.
The sensor in the Prime Fresh compartment of Panasonic's new refrigerators ensures a steady temperature of approximately -3 degrees Celsius. This temperature quickly puts ingredients in a partially frozen state to help prevent oxidation and keep precious foods deliciously fresh. Since foods stay fresh and are easy to slice, you can prepare a delicious meal quickly. The design of the fully extending drawers makes them extremely easy to use. They extend 100% outside the refrigerator, making it easy to see and reach all of their contents. And the rails of the drawers feature special bearings developed by Panasonic that give them the capacity to handle heavy loads. Even when completely full, the vegetable and freezer compartment drawers are easy to push and pull with one hand. This refrigerator features 5 different advanced sensors. The storage sensor measures light to determine the volume of food in the refrigerator and use electricity efficiently. The refrigerator adapts to the lifestyle of the user to save electricity automatically. The door of the refrigerator glistens like polished obsidian, harmonizing beautifully with any interior. Fresh food and fresh-looking design. Enjoy delicious meals every day.
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first-ever 5-drawer refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
How you store your ingredients makes all the difference for freshness and taste. With the Electrolux Fresh Plus Fridge Freezer, your ingredients stay fresher, crispier, and tastier for longer. Fresh and frozen foods need to be cooled differently. Electrolux Fresh Plus with Twin Tech uses 2 separate air streams to ensure the perfect humidity and temperature in both the fridge and the freezer. The result is food that stays fresher for longer. The multi-air flow produces a uniform flow of air, which stabilizes the temperature and humidity throughout the fridge, keeping food fresher for longer. The Taste Guard filter prevents undesirable aromas and bad odors. Electrolux Frost-Free technology prevents frost from building up in your freezer. Never defrost again. The customizable and innovative Custom Flex storage system optimizes storage possibilities. The Electrolux Fresh Plus models are extremely energy efficient. The Fresh Zone drawer is cooler than the rest of the fridge, ideal for storing meat, fish, and many types of vegetables. Separate modern and sleek touch displays give you precise and immediate temperature and function control for the fridge and the freezer. Electrolux Fresh Plus fridge freezers are available with a selection of options and accessories. The Fridge Care Set is the perfect way to keep the refrigerator clean and odor-free. The Care Set includes a fresh keeper mat, a fridge odor absorber, Frigo Care Spray, and a soft cloth. And the Fresh Keeper mat cleverly allows air to circulate in the fruit and vegetable compartment, preventing bad odors and the buildup of mold. We bring the freshness, you bring the taste. The Electrolux Fresh Plus.
You okay?
I'll never forget that day, the first time we met. When I close my eyes, I can see
Knock, knock.
so right.
I've got a present for you. Look. Open it up.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Sometimes
Coming.
Yes. It exploded in your face.
sometimes I wish I could turn
Keep going.
Whoa.
night goes and morning comes. Time flies and rage. I wanna
Sweetie, don't go without this.
Dad, I'm gonna be late.
Sweetie, what's the matter? Let's talk.
Dad, not right now. Please just leave me alone. Is that this? Oh my god. We're just running late for a party.
Okay.
nice to meet you.
Wow. You look beautiful.
Dad. Oh, Dad?
Sweetie, I hope you enjoyed your trip. I made our favorites. Thinking of you. Love, Dad.
Knock twice. See inside. LG InstaView, door and door.